Hello everyone. This is a video explaining how to use the device titration form if you have either the clear appliance with the wings or the Avant, which is the pink appliance with the blue band. What you're going to do, and again, let me review that titration means moving the lower jaw forward. So you're going to put your name, which appliance you have. If you have the clear appliance, your starting position is upper 0, lower 0. If you have the Avant, your starting position is most likely band number 0. So you're going to start by putting the date that you make any changes. The appliance was changed to, so either band number 1, band number 2, or for the Prosomnus or the clear appliance, these are the next steps that you would make. This is very important. On this column, you're going to start after you make an adjustment. That next morning, you'll put how you felt the next day. You can make an adjustment every 5 days. So if you have the pink one with the blue band, this is your appliance, and you're going to go from 0 to band 1 to band 2, 3, 4, etc. You can go back to -1 from 0, but only as needed. And please let me know if you have to go backwards. If you have the clear appliance with the wings, you're going to go in this direction. So you have 4 appliances in your box. You have an upper 0, a lower 0, an upper 2, and a lower 1. And this is the combination of those appliances that get you this much protrusion, or the jaw moving forward in millimeters. So you just add the numbers, and that gives you how many millimeters forward your jaw will be pushed. So you go in this direction. So if you start here, upper 0, lower 0, the next tray you would switch to is you would keep your upper and switch to the lower 1. Remember, these numbers are on the wings, engraved in the wing of each appliance, of each piece. So just look for these numbers on the side. The bag also says which appliance is in the bag. When you make a change, so on this one, when you go from here to here, you go from lower 0 to lower 1, be sure to put your lower 0 back in the lower 0 bag for safekeeping, because you will need it as you go through the series. So again, you're going to go in this direction. You're going to start at upper 0, lower 0. Your second set, you'll keep the upper 0, but add the lower 1, put the lower 0 back in the bag. When you go to the next one, you'll put the upper 0 in its bag, pull out the upper 2, put your lower 1 back in its bag, go back to your lower 0, and continue down. If you need any more than this, you'll have to let me know, and I will order those extra pieces. So you might say, well, how do I know if I even need to advance? This is what we're looking for. We want you to have increase in dreaming, no more than 1 to 2 awakenings per night. Snoring is gone or almost gone. You wake up feeling like you slept. More deep sleep, more energy throughout the day, and no need for naps. Again, what you'll notice, some people notice that they'll start getting better, and then they'll kind of level off with no improvement. You need to know where to go back to, because I don't want you to go any further than you absolutely have to go. Other people might notice they start getting better, and then they start getting worse. Again, you need to know where to go back to. If you have any questions, please let me know. We're here to help.